Hey, welcome back to Turntable Guy. On the bench today we have soldering irons. Very exciting stuff. And I thought we would do an unboxing video. I have purchased a brand new Weller WE1010. It just arrived today from Amazon. I bought it because let me just put this back here. The iron that I've been using for the last, I'm going to say about 5 years. This is I don't think anybody knows how to say this, a UE, INT 936. I think it's the wand, to be honest with you. The station's probably still good. I might buy a new wand for it, but yeah, I've had problems with it. I was doing a little bit of soldering the other day, and my iron was no longer heating up. It would just be like warm to the touch. It was not getting to temperature, and when I would turn on the temperature dial here to where I wanted it, there's a couple lights here, one for power and one that blinks while it's heating up, and then once it reaches temperature it stays on solid. And it was giving me 3 flashes quickly, bang 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 bang, like that. And I just was not getting up to temperature. So instead of tearing this apart and trying to figure out what's wrong with it, I decided, well, you know what, I think it's time to upgrade and get into something a little bit more professional. I did try to change the ceramic insert for the wand, but no difference. So I'm not sure exactly what's wrong with it, and I'll be honest with you, I don't really care. I only paid $50 for this on Amazon back in the day, and it served me well. I've had it for more than 5 years, actually, and I think that's not bad for something, 100% Chinese company, Chinese manufactured. So, like I said, I might, if I can get a cheap wand for it, maybe I'll try that and see if that works and keep it as a backup. But we're gonna put this one to bed. So I did have a peek around, and this was like, you kind of, when you do this as a hobby like I do, you kind of need to have your a soldering iron around at all times. I do have a couple of those plug-in types without temperature control or whatever, and they're okay in a pinch, but you need the actual soldering station if you want to do any kind of serious soldering. So here's the WE1010. Seemed to have pretty decent reviews out there, so I said, what the heck. I think it was $167 on Amazon, which isn't too bad. It took a couple days to get here, so here it is. It's a 71 iron. It has a LCD display, and it goes into standby. You can set the amount of time that you can have it drop down into standby. And other than that, it's just a standard soldering station. So let's open it up and see what we got. Okay, standard IEC power cord. I wonder what kind of gauge this is. It is, I think, just 18 gauge, nothing special. It's either 18 or 16, I can't tell. Usually it's, it's probably 18 is what I'm thinking. Yeah, it's 18 gauge, so it's just your standard run-of-the-mill power cord. That's quite the instruction book. Oh, it's different languages. Wow, there's a lot of languages in here. So the actual manual is English first. English right here. So this is actually the manual. These about 4 or 5 pages. The rest of it's all different languages. But at least it comes with a nice manual. Okay, what's next? Looks like the wand is next. Okay, here's our wand. It's a Weller WE1010, 23 volt, 70 watt. It's supposed to have a quick change feature here that you don't need wrenches or anything. And you can replace the tip just like that. There's your little, on the tip there, you can see the ceramic. Side. Looks like that must be the stand for the wand. Yep. So that's our wand stand. Comes with a sponge, which will expand once we give it a little bit of water. Oh, here's our wand holder. So I'm taking this, must go in one of these sides here. Shouldn't it go like that? Oh, okay. This just sits like that. And this must be the base. And it is. Yeah, nice piece of foam. It comes in handy for turntable repairs. And we can get rid of this box. Keep the box for the warranty period at least. Here we are. Our wand obviously goes in here. It's a 5-pin with a little notch. There we go. And that locks. Station here, like that. I'm not convinced that I have that. Oh, maybe you really have to push it in deep. Let's see here. Ah, there we go. Okay, that's better. That's much better. Okay. All right. Why don't we? Let me get it up on my bench, and then we'll see what kind of features it has. Okay, so it's nestled up against my kind of new soldering vac system here that I picked up. This is a used system. It's an Ungar hot vac system. Just a soldering vacuum, which I think a couple weeks ago. I haven't even really tried it yet, but I'm looking forward to using it when I have to desolder stuff. It comes with the big solder sucking thing there, so we'll be using that at some point. Yeah, so first turn on here, so let's see what happens. Okay, so it's set. Looks like it says it's set for 720, and that's our current temperature. And that's, I'm thinking that's 720 Celsius. let's see here. There's your offset. That'll turn off your iron after a little bit of time. Holy, that thing heats up fast, eh? So we're going to want to increase that. We'll set it just for half an hour now so it doesn't shut off on you. What else here? $30. That's our standby. Sorry, not offset. This is offset, sorry. We'll just leave that at 0. And Fahrenheit or Celsius. So Celsius. Is it set for Fahrenheit right now? Yeah, I guess 720 would be Fahrenheit, right? Yeah. So, what else here? 0 Fahrenheit. Lock. If you want to keep people out of your iron. Let's see, this is warm. Holy crap, that's hot. Wow, it got hot fast. It only comes with one tip. Now, so I know I get a lot of people complaining about the tips I use. They're like, you should use a more narrow tip, but I like a tip like that. Yeah, but you can get more tips for it, and there's some aftermarket companies too that make tips for it. So yeah, so I guess we can turn the temperature down like that, and then it will. So I've set it for 700 Fahrenheit, and then the iron will cool down, and it's already got down to 700. So yeah, that's about it. That's just wanted to show you the unboxing of that and what the Weller WE. Oh, it just went down. Oh, I get it. It was set for 700, and the temperature went down. I guess it's heating now, and it's flashing. Cool. Yeah, I like it. I like this. This soldering wand is so nice and light. So I really like that. And I like the look at it. It's really nice and compact on my upper shelf here because I don't have a ton of space here. I've got my my new Weller, which I'm going to turn off. I've got my hot vac, and I've got my little oscilloscope here, which is just a small digital oscilloscope that I use. It's a dual channel. It's nice. It's a Furnessy 1014D, so it does the job. I don't need anything too great. I got my component tester, and my glasses, and some various other crap that I use. So that's it. So that's the Weller. That's the Weller WE1010. So far, so good, and I'm sure you'll see it in some upcoming videos. I do not think there's going to be another video before Christmas, so wishing all you guys Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Kwanzaa, Happy whatever, and have a great holiday season, and we'll catch you next video. Thanks. Bye.